Hey, do you know what happened in the 1950s?
The space race.
Yes, that's it. We are going to tell you what happened about it. The space race started in 1950 when the United States and the Soviet Union competed to demonstrate the technological superiority.
Before the United States threw satellites into space, the Soviet Union had thrown the first artificial satellite that was called Sputnik 1 in October 4th of 1957.
This event impacted all the people around the world because anybody imagined that the Soviets were the first to arrive in space.
In 1961, Yuri Gagarin was the first Soviet cosmonaut that traveled into space, while the United States were still working on their first manned flight. When NASA launched the Project Apollo, the Soviet Union had demonstrated their leadership in space exploration.
On May 25th of 1961, John F. Kennedy announced that the United States would put a man on the moon before the end of the decade.
We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard.
With this, the United States had achieved the greatest feat in spatial history. On July 20th of 1969, the Apollo 11 landed on the moon, leading this to the United States to overcome the Soviet Union in terms of spatial exploration. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, Neil Armstrong, I have a question for you.
Hey.
What would have happened if the Soviets won the space race?
Well, first of all, that would have been bad. And also the United States would have lost a lot of power and influence in the world. Also, the Cold War would have had like a bigger effect on both sides, and other countries like would have absolved the communism as their party in their countries, or like the science topics in the Soviet Union would have like have bigger impulse or bigger effects on the world right now.
Thank you.